this video, we're going to go over how to download and install NetBeans. I already have it downloaded, but I'm going to show you how to get to it anyway. So you go to Google and type in NetBeans download. The first thing that pops up, it'll be netbeans.org/downloads. What I have downloaded is this all version right here, the one on the right, the biggest file. But everything that I'm going to do in this playlist and any of my Java videos will be fine if you use the Java SE file right here. So I would click download and bring me to another screen and it would start downloading, but since I already have it, I'm just going to double click and install it. It will take a moment to download, so you may want to pause the video now and wait. One of the good things about NetBeans is it doesn't try to install tons of bloatware. It really just gives you what you ask for. It's going to install these, but that's because I already clicked to use those. It doesn't try to mess with your browsers or anything like that. So with NetBeans, you can really just go through and click next. You can check for updates, but I like that installed on mine, so I'm just going to leave that. Another IDE that people can use, Integrated Development Environment, is Eclipse. That's actually a very common one to use, but I'm personally not a fan of it. I started programming on NetBeans, and that's probably what I'll program on for a very long time. I like the environment of it. But all the code that I do for NetBeans will transfer to Eclipse, so if you like that environment better, there is nothing wrong with keeping that. So I'm just going to pause this for a minute, because it looks like it'll be going for a while. Well, maybe I'll pause it. Okay, I'm back. I'm not really sure why, but I couldn't use the F3 key to pause my screen capture while this thing was up right now, and it wouldn't let me continue the screen capture while it was up. But it's pretty much finished downloading by this point. So we'll see what we have to do next. Should pretty much be done, and we should be ready to get started. Okay, hopefully that's the last time I have to pause the video. Whenever it finished that last little bit, the whole bar had to go through one more time. So I'm now at the screen where I get the choice whether or not I want to contribute to NetBeans by providing anonymous data. I always hit yes on that. Even if it had to be non-anonymous, there really isn't any downside to it, and it helps them create a better product, and that's a product I use, so I really appreciate that. So see right here, there's a NetBeans shortcut, and I'm going to open that. It'll probably take a little bit because it's the first time I've opened that on this computer. Alright, NetBeans is almost open. So I'm going to hit a X there. I guess it's not fully open yet. There it is. One thing I like to drag this over here a lot more. All my code is going to be in this area of the screen that my mouse is circling. Anyways, whenever you first get started, go to New File, New Project, or Control-Shift-N. I want to do a Java application, so I'll hit Next on that. And I'll wait for this. It's normally is a lot quicker to do this, but I guess just because it's the first time I've had it open, I uninstalled the whole NetBeans thing just for this video. Okay, and now it's asking me where I would like my stuff to be. I always just leave it in the regular NetBeans projects. One thing that I do is I never have create main class checked. I like to do every single thing with my program on my own. So I just uncheck that, and let's see what I want to call this. I will call this project J221 because that's the name of the course that we're in right now. And I will hit finish. As convention, I always have projects start with a capital letter, but that is not required. And we are almost ready to code. hit the plus there, hit this plus, then I right click default package and go to new Java class. And then with a Java class, it is convention that you have it start with an uppercase letter. So we'll just call this first class. And we are not going to be doing any actual coding. That will start in the next video. We're going to write a very simple program. But everything is ready right here, and I can get coding. But we will start that in the next video. Anyways, I hope you got NetBeans installed just fine. If you didn't, drop a comment. Either me or some nice young person will end up answering that for you. And we will try to get NetBeans installed for you. We'll do the best we can. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.